Hello and welcome. My name is Tim McCracken from Crypto Academy World, and joining us today is the Crypto Crusader, Devon. Devon, how are you today?
Yeah, good. Thanks, Tim.
Good, good. So the market looks like it's turning a bit of a turnaround. That'll be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, everything's starting to go a wee bit green again.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, well, three weeks of high highs, high lows on the weekly chart is a really good indication, as we were discussing before. So let's get in today's crypto insight. Today's crypto insight is the relationship of America and China, of how much Bitcoin do they really own, and what this could be moving forward into the future. Here we can see the two superpowers have very much a similar ownership in Bitcoin, that either A, with America, they've actually seized from nefarious activities such as Silk Road and other organizations as penalties for fines. China has actually generated either bought or mining, which is quite a distinction. Now, what's happening at the moment is that the American President, Donald Trump, has signed an executive order. And what that means is he's creating what's called the Strategic Reserve Bill. What that Strategic Reserve Bill is going to do is enable the American government to now buy and own Bitcoin on their assets as if it was gold. They're also looking to sell other assets, and so it's not going to be at a cost of the taxpayer, plus spending up to $500 million a week. Donald Trump's attitude is to become the superpower of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. What are your thoughts about that, Devon?
Yeah, it all sounds promising.
So, yep.
Yeah, I've got a question. If
Sure.
China owns so much Bitcoin, why are they so anti-Bitcoin?
It's actually a very good question, Devon. It's nothing to do with actually Bitcoin itself. It's to do with the Chinese Communist Party. And what it is that they don't want to have their people having assets they have no control over. So some of the biggest miners was actually the Chinese Communist Party out of China, but they want to own that themselves and not have it in the hands of the ordinary person. Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Any other questions?
Do you think China will want to retain supremacy over the US in owning Bitcoin?
That is going to be another superpower struggle. Donald Trump has made it very clear he wants to dominate the space. He wants to be the leading force going forward. As we know, Bitcoin is more than just a store of value. It is a currency. Logically, China will follow Bitcoin. The effect on that is that you're probably going to have now two superpower governments buying and mining Bitcoin to build up their strategic reserves, which is going to be very, very interesting to say the least. Logically, that should signal a very strong growth cycle for Bitcoin moving forward. Would you agree with that, Devon?
Yeah, no, that answers my question.
Fantastic. So thanks for tuning in today. So when you subscribe, please text us that you've subscribed to the numbers shown here, and what you'll get is a free consultancy on how to create passive income with cryptocurrency. So either Devon or myself or other members of the team will be in contact, and we'll put this in place and get this underway for you. So if you'd like to also appear on the show, just send in a quick message to us on WhatsApp, and we can arrange for you to come here and ask your questions yourself. My name is Tim McCracken, and I look forward to seeing you soon.